worry about it like we're not worried about coming out here to win this game, to fuck people up. That's not really what's, we gotta respect our training partners because this is really one big group training. Most of us have never used the app before. This is a new experience for everyone. Let's just go into it with the risk of responsibility. Let's just covering each other.
D-block moving out right now. We gotta take these points around the map. And this is all our people. This is our respawn area.
Andrew, we're moving. Dom, we're moving. Keep your spread. Contact left, contact left, contact left. Hands on them, hands on them.
Now that's shooting. That's it.
Contact, left side, full cross closer. Yeah, they're bounding up on the left side.
Left side bounding up, get fire!
Fire, man, what the fuck?
Cover left, don't shoot them though! 2-2, 2-3, move up!
2-2, 2-3, move up!
Start moving up with them. Get behind them, I'm gonna send you.
I'm sending them.
Start moving up, guys!
He might need help. Left side needs help. Left side taking casualties. Over the wall. Moving over the wall.
Moving up, guys.
Oh God.
Watch your left, Connor.
Holy. First way, holy. Yo, do you want to peel the left flank back?
I think so, I think so.
Left flank or right? You're gonna peel back and peel right.
Feel right, yeah.
Back to our left.
So we're gonna try to peel the rest of the team this way. Alright. Yeah.
I'm gonna backfill Tim.
Guys, I think there's like a couple sporadic shooters on this side over here. So when we push in, we're gonna hinge right.
Yeah, we got a guy on the second blue barrel stack, and this guy's laying down in the thick green shit.
So we'll reinforce them on this side.
Reinforce them on this side, and then we'll take the rest of these guys and push them forward. Got you. Right.
No, fuck that guy. We don't need this tape. Let's backfill the middle. Let's D-block. Let's just join back up.
Move it. Left man. You got maybe about 6 guys. Okay. Enough now. Let's go. Go. Come on, keep going. Come on. Last one. Go, who's right? Go, John. Ten. Moving. Last man.
The team that just peeled back, they're gonna reinforce these motherfuckers, and then we're gonna take this whole squad and push forward and start moving up.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Yo, guys, the other squad.
We got contact right side.
Contact right!
Yeah, do it.
Guys, start pushing forward all line. Real slow. Give yourselves a little spacing. Move back online. Hey, let's start moving on it. How's a little path right here? Yeah. Alright, so Christian and I will roll left. You two follow behind us, roll right. Alright.
Hear that, Mike?
Parker,
Roll left.
you good?
Right.
Yeah, where's the rest of your boys at?
They're being autistic over there.
Alright, send like one of you, go grab them, meet us back here. We'll wait for you guys.
Yo, 1-3, pull back.
Hey, we're gonna wait for 1-3, then we'll start moving when we got the numbers.
1-3 on me, let's go.
Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys.
Come on, go.
Guns up, right.
Tape lining in, tape lining in. Keep going left. Keep going left.
How are we doing on that side?
Director 12, we're moving up, we're moving up.
Watch that reach.
Watch this hill, guys.
Yeah. I know.
The other guys here.
Go straight ahead down the trail. See them moving? They're behind like a log up there. Straight down the trail. Be careful standing on the trail. Yeah.
Yeah, I see him.
We're taking contact over there, but this squad is going to hold and watch your back. And we're slowly pushing up the guys over here.
So, yo, let's try to get an L almost. All right?
Going left, dab, left. Last man.
Yeah, the command that's kind of funky right now is going in and out.
Yeah, it's a little choppy.
Yeah.
So we'll make do. Let's just try not to get too far out of eye contact with everybody right now. Holes, do you know what's going on with these dudes right here?
How are they doing? Going up there? Go.
Alright. Yeah, we should maybe start bounding up, dude. We don't want to lose contact.
We'll pull these guys out. Yeah, I'm gonna get the 6 guys pull out. They don't know yet.
Come on, guys.
Come on, guys, push up.
Contact right!
Contact right.
Still, the castle's right over the
Yeah, I know, they're all on the top.
I think I took him down. He's like my 12, he's far, he's like 50 yards. I think we should break left, get behind the 6 step with him. Yeah, I'm gonna move.
Alright, I got you.
Move it.
One guy.
Hey, what do you got up that hill, dude?
We got a couple buildings. I saw one guy moving right to left.
How many buildings?
There's about like 4.
Does not look good to go through.
No.
It does
It's
not.
a fucking funnel.
Yeah, maybe let's dip back around, right?
Alright, sounds good.
Team's going already. Take too much time.
Okay, roger that. Hey, we're pulling out. Alright. Comment. Front line move, then we'll move. Yep.
Get Dylan.
Right side.
Dylan, you gotta move now.
It might be to our advantage to take those buildings. Hold position. Yo, Brian. Right here. We're here, we just go here a little bit.
Yeah, we're going to split ourselves in the
Too
field. We're going to
thick?
take contact, yeah, from left and right. I'm not going to be able to
What about this squad though? We can pull this squad up. Here, looking at our phones, taking selfies. And feel. I got big head over here.
Yeah, we take contact from this fucking left side. Watch that left, a little bit heavy.
As soon as these guys dip up, you just get fanned on the castle.
Okay.
There was a point to dip around right side, we just didn't take it.
Alright, roger that. Hang tight. I'm going to get on the radio. Let me consolidate the guys. We'll make a fucking move.
I think they're pushing right side.
Two guys are moving.
I think there's another one.
Take it slow. You're right. Move.
There's a guy that's inside of that castle.
Get in there, help him out, man. Left side, get in there.
Dylan, keep it close. Right there. To the left. Get down here. Right here. There's 2 of them watching. Okay. Yeah. Watch your left. Over here. Watch the walls. I'm gonna try and keep moving right. Yeah. Try and get us going forward.
Yeah. All right, go.
Good.
Yeah, it's a 6. Go.
They're taking hits? You guys got shot?
2. What's your location?
You got shot?
Fuck.
I am in the city near Red Respawn.
All right, well, yeah, we're in the same location.
What you got? What's going on, Jesse? They're not moving? Is that the problem?
Shit, I keep on being like, let's go. Like,
Okay, so me and Holes, let's go move them.
Yeah, all right.
Let's go move them. Let's do it.
All right, let's break off. Move it.
Yo, we gotta hit the castle. We got a lot of
There's
base.
a guy with a bolt gun who's being a dick.
Okay, let's go down then. He's being a dick. I love your sentiments. He's shooting us. So the castle's another spawn, and this one, there's one right over here, and then a big tower back there that we're never gonna get. So we could either push forward and take this, or hold on, or take the castle. I think the castle.
Are you getting the status of the other guys to see where they're at?
See, this is castle, and that's the one over here. Yeah. So if we get castle, we could move in and essentially start putting some fucking shit down, and then that'll allow these guys to have a better ground.
Yeah, fuck. I mean, there's only one way to find out.
Only one way to find out, man.
It doesn't look like it's that heavily guarded, man.
It doesn't. Let's do it, man. Let's get up to that rock wall and do this shit.
All right. Execute.
Keep going. Let's go. Get closer. Come on. Let's go.
Use the cover.
Not ranging.
Top right window, tower on the right. Got it? Come on, you.
Hey, be advised. Friendlies in the woods down there, those bunkers, but this tall structure over here, there's shooters, enemy shooters on top.
We still got a few dudes up on the top of the tower, so they're suppressing down on us. Not really sure how we want to move on this, but we're definitely going to take the dudes.
We have like no cover up there, do we?
There's not a whole lot.
They're pushing out left side. That means we should probably lay some fire down.
Yeah.
What, our dudes on that hill?
We have friendly where they were before.
All right. All right, you guys ready?
I just see his barrels.
Yo, once we start moving, everything you have, all right? 3 of us are gonna push up to the wall. They're gonna get our base of fire. Yeah, once we're secure on the wall and you have an opportunity, 1-on-1. Roni, we're ready, all right? Get those guns up.
Super, let's go. Let's go.
Got it, one down.
Yeah, well, as you can tell. On me! Right. Go.
Watch the cross, stay low.
All units push. 6, all units. Bottom right, castle. More secure. Keep pushing. Come on, get it. Come on. Yo, E! Give me cover. Moving now. No, oh, shit. There's some 1-2 alive. We're in the Citadel, fort, castle, whatever it is.
Hey, come with us.
Watch out, we gotta get in.
Make contact behind us. Loading.
Yeah. Good. Good shot, Chuck. Oh.
Too high, Christian, too high.
That one. I got a stairway right and I got an open space right.
You're up to the left side of the tower. You got left and right side of the tower. Copy. Yeah. Cool. All right.
It's clear, you're clear, go.
Green! Yeah, that's green. We got friendlies across.
Fuckers.
Hey, let's move. Clear that last tower. Hey, friendlies across that way. All right, let's go.
Green!
Cooper's get in there.
360! Green! 360 out!
We gotta clear this.
What are they doing over there?
All right, so.
We got contact outside the wire this way.
Yeah, so.
I see him. One to the left of him.
Loading!
He's in that doorway. Save it, save it. Wait till it peeks out again. Conserve your shit.
The building's right outside. That's another flag point.
Do we want to push that?
And they have that.
Okay. Are they pushing
But their
it?
spawn is right there, too.
We got sure we got eyes that way in case this smoke is misleading.
Ooh.
Yo! Tim, do we have eyes this?
We need 2 eyes there.
Alright.
I'll move over there.
I'll go with you.
All right, let's go. Yo, Ben. Be careful to your right, Ben.
Something like that.
Yeah, and the other flags are out that way.
Okay. See where they're headed? Let's check where they're headed right now. So you want to just wait and go over there? We'll see how they react to the contact and then we'll move. Okay. Let's do that.
Guys, if we get the counter assault from this direction,
Raj.
respawn, alright? Copy.
I was gonna leave Pat and Connor in this tower right here, just back up, because he's low on ammo and pack it hold down. We have somebody there. I'm gonna move out with another 2 or 3, and we're gonna kind of like satellite Tim's squad and make sure nothing happens. Okay. And kind of help them out.
Watch from. They may have some guys coming down this way because we don't have anything.
Okay. Okay.
Tim. Yes, sir. I'm gonna move right in there with y'all. This spot's fucking stuff.
Yep. Yep.
I got you on the other one. Do this, Tim. Do that one. We'll do this one.
We have another squad, probably 6 or 8 guys out in the front.
Oh, perfect. So we got a buffer. Perfect. All right, so let's do that. Stay here, brother. Yeah, let's do that.
You hold this down, Pat? Somebody pick up one of my mags.
Like the fucking grass or whatever. So he's probably doing that for like some highlight reel shit. So
Okay.
just keep an eye on the dark spots.
Okay.
He's gonna like kind of walk since he got the scope.
Okay.
And just see if he can peep anything along the line.
The ones behind us are not. We don't have these ones. This is us.
That's us.
Here, we don't have these behind us,
let's go get
and the
those.
ones over there.
Let's go get those, and then we'll satellite behind Tim. Boom, and then boom.
Okay, and then now these guys are swinging this way.
Perfect.
All right, let's do it. There's a shitload of guys. You guys are going, right?
Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it.
You guys stay right there.
Got 2 guys over here, one's dead.
We got like 3 guys coming down.
Roger, I see him too.
3 guys. 3 guys coming towards us.
Roger, stay on it.
Got it. Push this line. Yo, guys, come in this way. We'll be on their right side.
It's like a game of Battlefield. We're just taking flag points right now. We got a little relay spot to the castle so we could peel out from down there to the castle, but we also got enemies down here shooting at us and enemies coming this way. So we're just kind of a cutoff point here, and then we got another cutoff point in front of the castle, so that way if anything happens we could go back to there. That's it. I mean, because the castle's a bitch to take, man. Yo, this is 3. Just got kind of aware that they're taking all the little flag points. Yeah, movement, all the little flag points while we're sitting in the castle. So if you guys have any extra people in the castle, you might want to send them out to your left if you're facing their spawn point, and then take that flag in the corner. All right, dude, we got guys pushing on the right side, so this might be a good time to just throw them out there. They're not gonna see too much bullshit. They're coming out of that little building down there.
Are there any flags nearby?
Yeah, I think there's one up ahead, but it might not be a good. Oh, I'm gonna take a look real quick.
Yeah, our tickets are getting eaten alive right now. Head's like right in front of you. I see him. I got him. Fuck off.
I'll put it out over command net to have everyone else push.
Yo, watch that house. Yo, listen. The house to our left. 2 dudes.
Roger, we read. Any units that are at respawn, we're still going to be pushing that right flank. Say again, we're still going to be pushing that right flank. Guys, we had a friendly over there. Just check your fire, we had friendly. Talk to me, what do we got?
I got nothing. You guys ramp the hill right on the ridge here. They're going behind these trees and into the field.
Guys, I got contact top of the hill times 2. Gonna be about 50 meters from my position on the right flank. Right there. Mm-hmm. You had 2. Yo, 2, they're at the top of the hill. Looks like they were bounding, alright?
Black.
Guys, that's 1, there's 2. Got 1?
Yeah.
Yeah. You have 360 for a sec so I can check the map.
Yeah.
Sure.
Thanks.
If we get fire up from there, we make it with that big fire out this way.
Oh, make it fire. Like,
You really move? So what do you think?
Guys, all either.
Heavy?
Guys, well, wide.
Fine, okay. We were gonna cut through and cut out this way to try to have cut the, because these dudes are fucking shooting from right over here.
I know.
So instead of having to bound down that way, but now I guess we have to, so let's just cut.
We got guys over there just fucking. If we move there, we got stitched in the back as soon as we got to the shit shack. So let's just push right on the tape line.
Let's do wide one? Alright, well I want to leave some dudes here just because they're trying to sneak up from the wood line.
We got the fucking top locked down. We got shooters up here, so you guys.
How many you got up there?
6.
Alright, that's pretty good.
What you got? What you got?
Why is like these out of these little shit shacks?
Yeah.
He's the one that's like kind of like right here in the middle of the far one.
Alright.
He's behind it low. Outside, not inside. He could be inside.
Alright. Hey, Luke, watch your line left because they were sneaking around.
What do you got, Luke?
There was one guy out of these shit shacks. There's one guy that's like in the center, the farthest one.
Do you think they have him from up top?
There's no second story here. Oh, yeah, probably.
Alright, okay, so let's get over with Ron and we're going to shift over to the other side. And try to get out of here. Tim, you want to come?
Yeah. You guys over there.
We can at least start something with this. I don't want to give these fuckers up because there's 6 up top, and if we give up 6 up top, they're firing at these guys right now. So we got to do this. Yeah. Let's go this way. We're going to go out to the woods deep and try to get them. We got 8 guys up top, so we're going to just and kind of come around. Same shit as before, Dom. Roger. Let's do this shit.
Drop. Go back.
The tees! The tees!
Disappointing, huh?
Contact rear!
You guys want to move?